with the beauty of their caring. With friends, we can share what we see, what we do, what we love. So I am Manan, with all my friends, welcome you to the annual function of the class 4th G. The topic of our annual function is true friendship.
Be the key of the day and look of the night. So let's open the door of the beautiful morning by singing our morning prayer. Close your eyes, join your hands, get ready for morning prayer. When you feel from positive thought, your life starts to change. So I would like to invite Mahir for the thought of the day.
Friendship is like a beautiful garden. The more you put into it, the more it grows. I repeat my thought. Friendship is like a beautiful garden. The more you put into it, the more it grows.
Poetry is brown and emotion fine. It's thought and thought as fun words. Now we are going to recite an English poem. The title of our poem is Friends. Friends will not run when bad times are here. They wish to be there to lend an ear. They think of ways to make you smile so you can be happy for a while. Do not forget your friends at all. They pick you up when you fall. Do not hope for, just take and hold the friendship back. It is pure gold. The friendship back. It is pure.
हिंदी भाषा हम हिंदुस्तानियों की पहचान है। यह हमारी एकता की पहचान है। अब हम आपके सामने एक हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं जिसका शीर्षक है सच्चा मित्र।
कबीर उठता कबीर मनाता, ऐसा अजब निराला मित्र ईश्वर की अनमोल भेंट है। हिम्मत साहस वाला मित्र एक बार जीवन में आकर दूर कबीरा जाता मित्र। ऊंच नीचे अधन दौलत का भेद कभी ना करता मित्र। जब आपस में झगड़ा होता पल भर को हो जाता मित्र। लेकिन फिर सब बिसरा कर आकर गले लगाता मित्र।
To understand the topic or concept in a better way, so let us discuss today's topic.
The theme of our annual function is very special. It is all about friends, one of the precious gifts in this world.
A good friend should
words like please, sorry and thank you.
Some of our friends are weak in studies, we should help them.
Good friend is always ready to help you when we are in need.
Good friend shares not only joys but also our sorrows.
Good friend will always share his things like food, stationery, notes, etc.
If one does not feel well, a good friend will take care. Good friend never lets you down. Good friend always motivates you to work hard.
Last but not the least, friends make our life happier and better.
Role play for kids has many benefits. It improves communication skills and helps to learn teamwork. Now some students of our class are going to present skits.
Class 4G are going to present an English skit.
The theme of our story is true friendship. We are going to present the story of Lord Krishna and his friend Sudama.
Sudama was a very poor Brahmin. He lived with his wife and children in a mustard. The family had to often go without food.
As the time passed, Lord Krishna became king of Dwarka and Sudama was a poor Brahmin who begged for food.
Bhiksham Dehi, 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 Bhiksham Dehi. Bhiksham Dehi. Take this food. Take this food. I have saved only this much.
Only this much? I have requested you so many times. Please go and meet your friend Krishna. He is very kind, will surely help us.
He is the king of Dwarka. I don't know. He will never recognize me today. We were friends a long time ago.
And try to meet him.
Fine, I will go. But I must take a gift for him.
Some puffed rice at home. You may take those with you.
Sudama goes to Dwarka and tries to enter the palace of Lord Krishna. The guard at the gate of the palace stops him.
Hey, where are you going? I am Sudama, your king friend. Please go and tell him that I have come. Fine, but please stay here. Long live Lord Krishna. Lord, our poor Brahmin, is standing at the door of the palace. He is saying that his name is Sudama and he is your friend.
Lord Krishna runs barefoot to the doors of the palace and asks Sudama. He brings him inside the palace.
Oh, Sudama, my friend.
Now tell me, my friend, how are you?
I am fine.
What are you hiding?
Nothing. My wife has sent a gift for you.
Oh, Babra is my favorite one.
I should go now. My family would be missing me.
Okay, my dear friend.
Not given me anything. What should I will say to her? God, help me.
When Sudama reaches near his home, he does not find his home. He looks. His children comes there running.
Hey, my children, how are you? Wearing such good clothes?
It's all by the grace of your friend Lord Krishna.
Sudama sends a heartfelt thanks to his friend.
Friendship never see any class boundaries of rich or poor. Friends are just friends.
This is how Lord Krishna showed us the true meaning of friendship.
Now, some of my friends are going to present classical dance.
Perform an instrumental performance.
बहुत ज्यादा है आपसे। ये न सोचना कि भूल जाएंगे हम, जिंदगी भर दोस्ती निभाएंगे हम।
बम चिक चिक बम 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 चिक चिक बम।
एक दूसरे से करते हैं प्यार हम, एक दूसरे के लिए बेकरार हम, एक दूसरे के वास्ते मरना पड़े तो है तैयार हम, है तैयार हम। यारो दोस्ती बड़ी ही हसीन है, ये ना हो तो क्या फिर बोलो ये जिंदगी है। कोई तो हो राज़दार, बेगरज तेरा हो यार, कोई तो हो राज़दार। यादों के पुराने एल्बम में छुपा के